bullshit or not. You don't. If you did have the data, you're not building a startup. You're now in a growth phase of a very stable company and you're just pumping more cash into a model that you know that works. Startup is like an experiment. Nobody knows, but we think we have an idea, let's try it. And then you have the balls to actually try it. And I would say just try. And I would even do it now. If you're a coder, if you have any like a spare hour at night, code little applications. Write stuff, see if it works, put it on the web, send it to like 5 friends. Have them play around with it, say, oh, wow, it's actually kind of cool. Post it on GitHub, give it open source it, let people play around with it. That will give you a sense of like, oh, I should build something tangible that people use. It'll give you a great sensitivity to how to do that eventually on a big scale. Especially if you're a coder and you're an MBA guy, super powerful. You have all of the skill set needed to build a company.
Just out of curiosity, what do you code? Because we are looking for a couple of coders now, so not for real, yeah.
What do you?
Sure. Not the guy I'm looking for right now.
Yeah. Okay, let's keep going.
I'm with Martin and